Hey there! Thinking about getting your first credit card? You've seen influencers flaunting their luxury buys, your mates raking in cashback, and now you're pondering, should I jump in too? Here's the kicker. One wrong move, and your credit card could morph into a financial disaster. High interest rates, hidden fees, debt traps. Many newbies fall for these traps. But no stress. Today, I'll share the best beginner-friendly credit cards in India for 2025 and show you how to use them smartly to build wealth, not debt. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal the biggest credit card mistake most people make. First up, the SBI Cashback credit card, perfect for online shopping aficionados. You get a whopping 5% cashback on all online spending. Spend Rs10,000 and get Rs500 back. Easy money. Plus 1% cashback on offline spends. The annual fee is Rs9999, but it's waived with enough spending. Just remember, this card shines for online shoppers, not so much for offline buyers. Next, the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, ideal for Amazon enthusiasts. It's lifetime free. Prime members get 5% cashback on Amazon, 3% for non-Prime, plus 2% cashback on Amazon Pay partners, and 1% on everything else. No fees and solid cashback? It's a no-brainer if you love Amazon. Now let's talk about the HDFC MoneyBack Plus credit card, an all-rounder for reward points lovers. 4x reward points on online spends and 2x on offline. Fuel surcharge waiver at all petrol pumps. Annual fee is Rs500, waived if you spend Rs50,000 annually. A great entry into the HDFC ecosystem for even better cards later on. Then, the ICICI Platinum Chip Credit Card, a zero-risk starter, no annual fee. Earn 2 payback points per Rs100 spent and get fuel surcharge waivers at HPCL pumps. Contactless payments make life easier. Perfect for someone who wants a card without heavy spending. Alright, now let's get real. The biggest credit card mistake? Thinking of it as free money. A credit card is a tool. Use it wisely, and it boosts your credit score, rewards you, and saves you money. Misuse it, and it traps you in debt. Always pay your bill on time, never just the minimum. Don't overspend because of a high credit limit. Use credit cards to earn rewards, not lose money to interest. So, which beginner credit card suits you best? Drop a comment below. Which card are you getting and why? For more financial tips to grow your money, like, share, and subscribe to Penny to Millions. See you next time, and remember, credit cards are tools, not traps. Use them wisely.